Hi guys, let's make my chickpea lentil quinoa spinach stew. It's got three kinds of protein. There are the chickpeas, lentils, and some quinoa, and they all cook in this really delicious spinach sauce that needs just a blender. The whole dish comes together in one pan and takes just 30 minutes and is a perfect weeknight meal. This is one of my older recipes that came about on a day I just wanted a quick meal. I wanted to use up the spinach and I didn't want to make my spinach curry with tofu, so I decided to add a bunch of different proteins to it. There are just a few spices in this thick stew and it comes out perfect every single time. It is satisfying, it is creamy because of the lentils, it is delicious. You can add in some coconut milk or cashew cream into the stew to make it even more creamy. You can add in more broth to make it more soupy or adjust the consistency however you like. It makes this really thick chili like stew that you can serve with naan or flatbread or some toasted sourdough, toasted garlic bread, or even tortilla chips. It's a super quick recipe. We just saute some chopped up onion, then blend up the sauce ingredients. That's the spinach, tomatoes, the ginger and garlic, all of the spices, and some broth. Then add that to the pan, add the lentils, quinoa, and chickpeas as well, and then cover and cook, and that's it. Then just check after 15 minutes if the quinoa and the lentils are cooked. Otherwise, continue to cook for a bit longer, and then serve this hearty hot stew, really hot, topped with some cashew cream or a non-dairy cream of choice or some yogurt, some pepper flakes, and a crunchy element like hemp seeds or chopped up cashews or peanuts. Let's make the spinach sauce first. Blend up some fresh or frozen spinach, tomatoes, ginger and garlic, green chili, some black peppercorns, and some stock. Blend it just until the mixture is kind of broken down, the spinach is broken down a little bit, and the ginger and garlic are blended and are not chunky in the mixture. And then reserve the sauce. Then cook the onion in a skillet over medium heat. If your onion is drying out, add splashes of water every now and then to help the onion cook evenly. Once the onion is golden, add in all of the ground spices, the garam masala, cumin, cinnamon, and cardamom, and a good pinch of salt, and mix in and continue to cook for another minute or so. Add in your blended spinach sauce and mix in to pick up all of the nice brown bits and the spices from the skillet. Then add in the washed lentils and quinoa and the rinsed chickpeas, mix them in really well, and then cover and cook. Check after 10-15 minutes if the lentils and quinoa are cooked to preference, otherwise continue to cook for a few minutes longer. At this point you can also taste and adjust the flavor. Add in a cream element like cashew cream, coconut cream, or any other non-dairy cream or non-dairy yogurt, and mix that in if you want it creamier. Once the lentils and quinoa are cooked to preference, serve this hot in a bowl. Top it with some non-dairy cream, some chopped nuts or seeds, some pepper flakes, with some toasted sourdough or garlic bread or naan, or any which way you like. This is a really hearty stew that is super easy, and I hope you guys try it. So if you do try this chickpea lentil quinoa stew, let me know in the comments below. Also, please review it on the blog. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.